If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. It's not, it's challenging, but it's definitely worth it. When I think about what we do as a company, when I think about how we connect people every single day, when I think about us going to the moon or defending the United States of America, we are a powerful company. So I'd say, if you're interested in that, I'd say go for it. My name is Kristina Mauger. I am the 787 Production Engineering Director, and I work for the Boeing Company in South Carolina. Absolutely wanted a career in engineering when I was younger. My parents would put the toys together and I was the child that would take them apart just to figure out how they were working, why they worked the way they were. So engineering was a natural kind of progression for me once I found out kind of what that was. It was easy to make a decision when going to college. My educational background, I have a Bachelors of Science in Mechanical Engineering from Kettering University. I've gone on to get certificates from MIT in Systems Engineering and Additive Manufacturing, and then a long host of Boeing leadership courses offered by the company. I started with the company in 2007 as a liaison engineer on the 747. Previous to that, I was in the automotive industry. It just ran through my veins with both my grandparents working at Ford and GM. You know, coming into the Seattle facility, into the factory was just mind-blowing to me, seeing the amazing products that we work on, from the 747 line to the 777 line, and now the 787 line that we have here and in Everett. It was like a breath of fresh air. I remember that moment falling in love with the airplane, and that's how I kind of got started with the company as a liaison engineer. Every day is different at Boeing, so a typical day is not typical. But the one common theme is meeting with our teams, making sure that the production system has what it needs to be successful, the collaborative environment that we have through all the different functions, and just setting it up for success. So I'd say being on the floor, right, touching the product, the same thing that I fell in love with, is the same thing that I love today. So getting out on the floor with the mechanics and with my engineers and just ensuring that we have successful integration for the airplane. I definitely narrowed down what I like most about my job to two things: developing people and the product that we work on. As a leader in the company, developing people is just integral to our success. Our people are our number one assets. The product is what we do, right? We get to work on this amazing product every single day. So what I like most about it is the personal relationships as well as the product integration. Challenges are with the problem solving. We get caught in a mode of what we do today, we have to do the same way tomorrow, and that's just not the truth. So continuing to be innovative and pushing the boundaries a bit, you know, to ensure that we have first pass quality and a safe environment for our people and our product. That's the most challenging, is getting us all rallied around it and moving in the same direction, because we want the best product out here. We want to win in this market. The options in this company, whether it's a 2-year degree or a 4-year degree, are boundless. The great thing for people who work for the company that go back to school, the company pays for it. We have Learning Together program, and it's just amazing. I'd say take advantage of it. For students who are outside of the company going to a 2-year degree, something like maybe the 2+2 program through like Trident Tech or other organizations that have that, or a 4-year degree through like Clemson or Charleston Southern, College of Charleston, Citadel, etc., are endless. I say go for it, do it, don't be afraid. It's a wonderful thing. We have opportunities in all engineering functions here at Boeing. We don't just produce the best airplane in the world, we have the best people in the STEM industry here in the world.